Welcome to the Multimedia Weather Impact Briefing for Central Alabama. I'm meteorologist Gerald Satterwhite. For the second half of this week, we'll have a wide array of weather conditions across the area with isolated severe thunderstorms possible for the southwestern portion of our coverage area Thursday evening to Friday morning, and snow showers expected to evolve Friday morning into afternoon for roughly the northern half of the state. A developing area of low pressure toward our west is expected to allow for a narrow corridor of severe thunderstorm potential Thursday evening into early Friday morning as it moves through. Rain will already be occurring through the day with an evolving limited risk of severe storms for our southwestern counties at this time. Conditions are not expected to be as favorable with eastward progression. This graphic shows the threat area and timing. Hazards include a limited risk for tornadoes, damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour, and dime to quarter size hail. The surface low then moves east on Friday, and a very cold upper level low is then forecast to move in during the day. The interaction of colder air and wraparound moisture is expected to cause rain showers to mix with or even change to snow initially out west in the morning, spreading east during the afternoon. Snow showers should then exit the area by early Saturday morning. This graphic shows the current thinking for areas that could see snowfall Friday into Saturday morning. Light accumulations are possible, generally around a quarter of an inch, though some locations could receive up to an inch depending on how the upper level low moves through the area. Please follow us on our various social media platforms for continued updates. We are also available 24/7 through the phone number listed on the screen. Thank you and have a great day.